أنا أقول للإمارات أن الصومال للصوماليين، وإن موانينا لنا وأرضنا لنا، والصومال حرة مستقلة وشعبها حي وضميرنا حي، وسنقاتل إلى آخر رجل منا. إذا تعديتم على استقلالنا وعلى أراضينا لن نرضى بالاستعمار ولن نرضى للاحتلال ولن نركع. إنكم تريدون أن تفشلونا، إنكم تريدون أن تقطعونا وتأمرونا وتدروا الخلاف بيننا، ولكن الصومال تأبى، الصومال تأبى إلا والحرية، إلا والعزة، إلا والكرامة. إن الصومال حية وشعبها حي، فلتحيا الصومال. نموت وليحيا الوطن، نموت وليحيا الوطن. والصومال حرة. Somalia, Somaliland. Somalia, Somaliland.
Yes.
Somalia belongs to Somalis.
Yes.
Somalia belongs to Somalis.
Yes.
Somalia belongs to Somalis.
Yes.
Our ports belongs to us.
Yes.
Our land belongs to us.
Yes.
Somalia is free.
Yes.
Somalia has a government. Somalia has a president. Somalia has a parliament. If you want to do business with us, you need to go through our parliament. You need to go through our government. You need to go through our people. Anything else you won't accept. Anything else you won't agree with. You can't go behind the doors. You can't go from the back door and try to take our land. We will not accept that. The deals that you sign with the people that are acting like they are the leaders of the country, they are not the leaders. You are losing. You're spending your money on loss. You are losing. You need to come through the proper channels. You need to go to the president. You need to go to the prime minister. You need to go to the parliament. You need to go to the organizations that are actually supposed to handle this. This will not be accepted. You are breaking the laws of the international rules. You are breaking the laws of the country. You are breaking the laws of the Arab League, the Arab nations. You are breaking the laws of the Islamic nations. There is nowhere in the world where a country goes to some guy on the street and signs a deal with him to buy part of the land. It never happened. And they know that for sure. But they have a different agenda, and we don't accept that. We don't accept that. Our people don't accept that. DP World is down.